Take your time, there's no rush now. We don't need to figure out. Every hour feels like ours, sitting underneath the stars. And the clock can wait a while. Nothing here but your soft smile. Slow down with me, stay a minute. Life's too short to overthink it. In this calm we understand. Everything feels close at hand. Music playing soft and low. Nowhere else we need to go. Simple days can feel so sweet when the pace is incomplete and the evening drifts in slow. Nothing here we need to know. Slow down with me, stay a minute. Life's too short to overthink it. In this calm we understand. Everything feels close at hand. No need to hurry through the day. Let the moments have their way. Every breath a little slower. This is all we're living for. Slow down with me, stay a minute. Life's too short to overthink it. In this calm we understand. Everything feels close at hand. City lights are soft tonight. Windows glowing dim and bright. Every street feels like a song, playing slowly all night long. And the noise begins to fade into something soft and made. Sing me a city lullaby. Underneath this quiet sky. Nothing here to hurry through. Just the city, me and you. Distant traffic hums so gently, like a rhythm soft and empty. Every corner feels like home when I'm not out here alone. And the rooftops start to glow like a secret soft and slow. Sing me a city lullaby. Underneath this quiet sky. Nothing here to hurry through, just the city, me and you. Even cities need to rest underneath the amber glow. Every light a soft goodnight, whispered low before we go. Sing me a city lullaby. Underneath this quiet sky. Nothing here to hurry through, just the city, me and you. Golden hour, soft and hazy. Everything feels warm and lazy. Shadows stretching, soft and long. This could be our favorite song. And the light begins to pour like it's never done before. Golden hour, just us two. Nothing else I'd rather do. Every color soft and warm. This is home. This is the form. Fields are glowing, soft and amber. Nothing here I'd want to alter. Every moment soft and true. Golden hour, me and you. And the sky starts turning gold, every story softly told. Golden hour, just us two. Nothing else I'd rather do. Every color soft and warm. This is home. This is the form. Let this light stay just a while, painting everything in gold. Every second feels so slow. This is all I need to know. Golden hour, just us two. Nothing else I'd rather do. Every color soft and warm. This is home. This is the form. Street lights glowing soft and slow. walking nowhere, letting go. Every step feels light and free. This is where I want to be. And the night stretches so wide. Nothing here we need to hide. Underneath the streetlight glow, everything is soft and slow. Nothing chasing, nothing fast. Just this feeling meant to last. Cool night air against my skin. Thoughts are settling deep within. Every worry fades away on this quiet, gentle way. And the sidewalk hums along like a soft, unhurried song. Underneath the streetlight glow, everything is soft and slow. Nothing chasing, nothing fast. Just this feeling meant to last. Every corner feels the same, soft and steady, no more pain. Just the rhythm of my feet, walking through this quiet street. Underneath the streetlight glow, everything is soft and slow. Nothing chasing, nothing fast. Just this feeling meant to last. Morning light comes through the curtain, slow and soft, I'm feeling certain. Nothing here to rush or chase, just this warm and golden space. And the hours start to melt into everything I felt. Stay a while, the world can wait. Nothing here to hesitate. In this quiet, we're okay. Let the morning drift away. Coffee steam is rising slowly. Every hour feels so holy. Simple things are all I need. Just this moment we're at ease. And the light keeps pouring in right beneath my golden skin. Stay a while, the world can wait. Nothing here to hesitate. In this quiet, we're okay. just this light and everyone stay a while, the world can wait. Nothing here to hesitate. In this quiet, we're okay. Let the morning drift away. Ocean waves are soft and steady. Every worry feels already washed away with every tide. Nothing left for me to hide. And the salt air fills my lungs, softer than 1,000 songs. Ocean calm, so soft and slow. This is all I need to know. Salty air and gentle waves. This is where my worry fades. Sand between my toes so gently. Every thought feels soft and empty. Nothing rushing, nothing loud. Just this calm without the crowd. And the horizon softly glows where the sea and sunset flow. Ocean calm, so soft and slow. This is all I need to know. Salty air and gentle waves. This is where my worry fades. Let the tide keep pulling slow. Take my worries as you go. Nothing but the sound of waves. This is where my worry fades. Ocean calm, so soft and slow. This is all I need to know. Salty air and gentle waves. This is where my worry fades. You don't have to say a word. Silence here is soft, unheard. Just your presence calm and near. Everything I need is here. And the silence starts to speak in the softest way I've seen. Nothing fancy, nothing loud, just the quiet next to you. Hands are resting soft together. Nothing here could feel much better. Time moves slower when you're near. Everything is soft and clear, and the moments start to blend into something without end. Quiet company, that's enough. Simple, gentle, soft and true. Nothing fancy, nothing loud, just the quiet next to you. Some things don't need any sound. Some things live in what we found. Just the two of us still here. Nothing louder, nothing clear. Quiet company, that's enough. Simple, gentle, soft and true. Nothing fancy, nothing loud, just the quiet next to you. Blanket weather, wrapped up tightly, watching snow fall, soft and quietly. Nothing pulls me from this place. Warmth is all I wanna chase, and the cold stays far away, while your arms decide to stay. Stay right here. The cold outside doesn't matter when you're by my side. Blanket weather, soft and slow. This is all I need to know. Steam is rising from my cocoa, windows fogging, soft and mellow. Time moves gently, nothing loud, just the two of us, no crowd. And the fire's soft and low, painting shadows warm and slow. Stay right here. The cold outside doesn't matter when you're by my side. Blanket weather, soft and slow. This is all I need to know. Let the winter howl outside. We've got everything to hide in this blanket, soft and warm, safe here from the coldest storm. doesn't matter when you're by my side. Blanket weather, soft and slow. This is all I need to know. Old sweater, soft and worn out. Every thread has been my hangout. Comfort lives in what is old, warmer than the world is cold. And the sleeves still hold me tight, softer every single night. This old sweater, soft and true, feels like something close to you. Nothing fancy, nothing new, just the comfort I ran to. Every stitch has held a story. Nothing here feels transitory. Simple things can hold so much warmth I feel in every touch. And the colors softly fade, like the memories we made. This old sweater, soft and true, feels like something close to you. Nothing fancy, nothing new, just the comfort I ran to. Maybe worn is worn out, right? Softer with every single night. Nothing new could feel this true, just this warmth I'm holding on to. This old sweater, soft and true, feels like something close to you. Nothing fancy, nothing new, just the comfort I ran to. Lying still beneath the starlight, nothing loud, just soft and starlit. Every worry drifts up high, scattered in the quiet sky. And the dark feels soft and kind, nothing heavy on my mind. Stargazing slow, just you and me. Nothing else we need to see. Every star a soft goodnight. Everything will be alright. Cold night air, but warm together. Nothing here could feel much better. Every breath is soft and slow underneath this quiet glow. And the silence wraps us tight underneath this soft moonlight. Stargazing slow, just you and me. Nothing else we need to see. Every star a soft goodnight. Everything will be alright. Every star a distant light, watching over us tonight. Nothing far can touch us here. Only quiet, only clear. Stargazing slow, just you and me. Nothing else we need to see. Every star a soft goodnight. Everything will be alright. Raindrops falling on the window, slow and steady, soft and mellow. I don't mind the cloudy skies when you're here. I feel alright. And the sound of falling rain softly washes out the pain. Falling on the rooftop, nothing here we need to stop, just the two of us tonight. Everything is calm and right. Quiet music, nothing louder, too dramatic. Simple nights like this feel true. Nothing I would rather do. And the windows softly fall while we sit here calm and lost. Soft rain falling on the rooftop, nothing here we need to stop, just the two of us tonight. Everything is calm and right. Let it pour, we're safe inside. Nothing here we need to hide. Every drop a gentle sound, keeping all our worries down. Soft rain falling on the rooftop, nothing here we need to stop, just the two of us tonight. Everything is coming right. Sunlight dancing on the floor, nothing calling anymore. Eyes are heavy, soft and light. Everything feels warm and right, and the afternoon feels slow, like a place I want to know. Sleepy sunlight, stay with me. This is all I want to be. Golden hours, soft and slow. Nowhere else I need to go. Curtains swaying, gentle breeze. Everything feels soft and easy. Nothing rushing through today. Let the sunlight have its way, and my eyelids start to fall. Sunlight softly holds it all. Sleepy sunlight, stay with me. This is all I want to be. Golden hours, soft and slow. Nowhere else I need to go. Half asleep and warm inside. Nothing here I need to hide. Every ray a soft caress. This is all my happiness. Sleepy sunlight, stay with me. This is all I want to be. Golden hours, soft and slow. Nowhere else I need to go. You don't need to say it loudly. I can feel it soft and proudly. Every quiet touch you give tells me exactly how to live. and the world can shake and sway. Nothing moves us either way. You're my steady, quiet ground, soft and certain, safe and sound. Nothing loud, but nothing wrong. This is where I feel I belong. Storms may come, but soft and steady, we stay grounded, calm already. Every moment hand in hand, nothing here I need to plan, and the noise outside can stay. We won't let it steal today. You're my steady, quiet ground, soft and certain, safe and sound. Nothing loud, but nothing wrong. This is where I feel I belong. Even when the winds pick up, we stay rooted, we don't budge. Nothing here can pull apart this soft ground beneath my heart. You're my steady, quiet ground, soft and certain, safe and sound. Nothing loud, but nothing wrong. This is where I feel I belong. We don't move the way that they do. Steady, soft, but always true. Every step feels right for us. Never rushing, never fussed. And the clock can tick away. We're not living by its say. This is our own time, our own pace. Nothing here we need to chase. Slow and steady, soft and true. This is all I need with you. Some days slower, some days quicker. Life feels softer, life feels richer. When we walk it hand in hand, everything falls into place, and the world can rush along. We'll keep singing our own song. This is our own time, our own pace. Nothing here we need to chase. Slow and steady, soft and true. This is all I need with you. Let them run, we'll walk instead. This is our own time, our own pace. Nothing here we need to chase. Slow and steady, soft and true. This is all I need with you. Snow is falling soft and slowly. Everything feels calm and holy. Fireplaces glowing warm, safe here from the winter storm. And the frost begins to bloom, softly quiet on the room. Winter hush, so soft and still. Nothing here to break or spill. Just this warmth, this quiet glow. This is all I need to know. Frosted windows warm inside. Nothing here we need to hide. Every breath is soft and slow. In this gentle winter glow. And the candle softly hums, while the quiet evening comes. Winter hush, so soft and still. Nothing here to break or spill. Just this warmth, this quiet glow. This is all I need to know. Let the snowfall keep on falling. We're not going, we're not calling. Nothing but this soft embrace. Winter's quiet, gentle grace. Winter hush, so soft and still. Nothing here to break or spill. Just this warmth, this quiet glow. This is all I need to know. Sunday morning, soft and slow. Nowhere really left to go. Sunlight resting on my skin. This is where I feel within. And the sheets are warm and light. Everything feels soft and right. Lazy Sunday, stay right here. Every worry disappears. pillow talk and soft laughter, thinking nothing of the after. This is all I ever need. Simple moments, simple peace. And the morning stretches wide, nothing here we need to hide. Lazy Sunday, stay right here. Every worry disappears. Nothing pulling me away. Let me have this quiet day. Let the world keep turning fast. We'll stay soft here, made to last. Nothing on this day feels rushed, only quiet, only us. Lazy Sunday, stay right here. Every worry disappears. Nothing pulling me away. Let me have this quiet day. Before I sleep, I say it softly. Today was hard, but I'm alright. Dimming lights and quiet breathing, letting go of all my worry. And the darkness feels so kind, softly settling in my mind. Sleep now, soft and slow. Tomorrow's sun will surely glow. This gentle song will hold you near. Everything is calm, my dear. Blankets warm and soft around me. Every worry starts to leave me. Nothing left to carry on, just this rest until the dawn. And the stillness holds me tight, softer than the fading light. Sleep now, soft and slow. Tomorrow's sun will surely glow. This gentle song will hold you near. Everything is calm, my dear. Close your eyes, the day is done. Rest until the rising sun. Nothing here can reach you now. Just this quiet, soft and slow. Sleep now, soft and slow. Tomorrow's sun will surely glow. This gentle song will hold you near. Everything is calm, my dear.